Hello everyone. I'm going to read to you the content of this book entitled Creeping Crawlers by Tom Gribb. Here we go. Creeping crawlers are everywhere. Watch out! Creeping crawlers are everywhere you go. Some creeping crawlers are full-time crawlers. Others are part-timers. They crawl for part of their lives and then change so they can fly. They can be colorful, or sometimes they blend in with the dirt where they live. Crawlers then flyers. Caterpillars hatch from eggs and start their lives crawling. At first, they look like worms. They have legs but no wings. Their skin can be smooth, fuzzy, or even scratchy. Inchworms aren't really worms at all. They are caterpillars. Inchworms get their names from the funny way they inch along when they move. Creeping crawler facts. There are more than 700 different kinds of caterpillars in North America. Almost all caterpillars eat leaves or plant material. Caterpillars shed their skin as they grow. Ouch! Some caterpillars can sting. They do not bite, but poisonous. Pointy spines on their bodies can break off when they are touched. Those spines hurt. The Venezuelan orticating Lepidoptera is a very poisonous caterpillar. The Venezuelan orticating Lepidoptera. Later in their lives, caterpillars wrap themselves in a chrysalis or a cocoon to change into winged butterflies or moths. When they come out, they fly instead of crawl. The cocoon, the chrysalis. Underground creeping crawlers. Underneath rocks or in damp, cool soil are perfect places to see creeping crawlers. Ants are creeping crawlers that live together in colonies underground. They dig holes and tunnel into ground to make a home. Creeping crawler facts. Ants can lift more than 20 times their body weight. Ants live together in large groups with more than 100,000 other ants. Many crawling beetles live underground. Dung beetles collect animal poop. They store it underground so they can eat it later on. It sounds nasty, but they actually help keep the environment clean. Creeping crawlers facts. The animal poop dung beetles bury helps plants and grass grow. Another name for dung beetles is tumblebugs. Above ground creeping crawlers. Some creeping crawlers prefer to live above ground or near plants. Brightly spotted ladybugs love to crawl around in gardens looking for tiny aphids to eat off of plants' leaves. Ladybugs have wings to fly, but they prefer crawling. Creeping crawler facts. There are more than 400 kinds of ladybugs in North America. Ladybugs' jaws chew from side to side instead of up and down. Grasshoppers are creeping crawlers that can move around many different ways. They crawl sometimes, but they can also jump very high and even fly. If you pick up a grasshopper, it might spit brown liquid into your hand as it tries to jump away. Creeping crawlers facts. Grasshopper Grasshoppers can rub their hind legs together to make noise. Some grasshoppers can damage farmers' crops. These are called locusts. Creepy, crawly, and tasty. Creeping crawlers can be yummy treats to some animals who hunt them. Birds like to swoop in and eat many creepy crawlers living above ground. Lizards and anteaters like to eat ones living underground. These animals sometimes have special talents to capture creepy crawlers and eat them up. In this book, there is a glossary, index, and other details. That's it. Thank you. The creeping crawlers.